tractor out so that I can work inside. It's a beautiful day here in Northwest Alabama, but I'll tell you, it is extremely cool this morning. Well, hello everyone, Larry back with you again, and as I mentioned in the tractor a few minutes ago, I guess with the cab I'm used to saying, I should say in the tractor, but with the open cab of the Massey Ferguson I'm saying on the tractor. But what I'm going to be working on this morning, and yes, it is what I was saying, it is a cool day here in Northwest Alabama. But what I'm going to be working on is something that I started in the previous video, and that is getting this door installed on the side of the new tractor shed addition. So thank you for joining us on the channel this morning. I really do appreciate it. And as always, be sure to give us a thumbs up if you like the video, leave a comment down below, share it with a friend, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's very important to us, so I would appreciate it if you would. So again, let's get this door installed. Maybe one or two other things that we'll do on this video, but come on, let's get started. I'm going to start by getting the siding hopefully installed, finished on this section so that we can put the door up around it then. Well, there you have it, folks. I appreciate you joining us for this short video on the door installation, and we had to make some modifications, but here we are. Got a good opening and closing on the door, so turned out pretty good. I appreciate, again, you being with us here on St. Nick's Farms. As I mentioned to you, you can see the coonskin cap. It's been a pretty, well, this may not be coonskin, but anyway, it's been a pretty cool afternoon here in Northwest Alabama, but was able with the sunshine to tolerate and be able to get this door installed. So again, thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave us a thumbs up if you like the video. Ring the bell, and what that does, it notifies you of future videos that we have here on St. Nick's Farms. So again, ring the bell, share it with a friend, be sure to subscribe, and until next time, folks, this is Larry. Have a great one. Bye-bye, everybody.